Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix offline mode on Origin. So there's a couple of ways. One of them is by going on your internet, then go in internet settings, then go scroll down, go in network sharing center and sharing center, and then go Windows Defender Firewall, then allow an app or feature, then scroll down and check if Origin is here. So if your Origin is here for you, just check the boxes, both of them private and public, and press OK and just close everything. But if Origin is not for you there, just press change settings and allow another app. So you need to browser your Origin wherever it's on your files. You add, you press add and it's gonna close. Then you need to check the boxes again, both of them. You need to press OK and you need to end task Origin and reopen it again. So if you don't know how to end task, it's super simple. Go on your taskbar, press task manager, just press end task and scroll down, find Origin again, end task, and it's gonna do the job. Gonna end task it real quick. End task. Okay, so there is another way how you can do this by going to internet options, not internet options, press open, and by here you need to go to connections, go LAN settings, and go check this box. So if this box is not checked for you, just check it, press OK, and press again OK. You need to press OK again. Go then again, open this tab, internet options, internet properties, sorry, and go LAN settings and uncheck the box again and press OK, and press everything OK and just close everything and try to reopen Origin. But if this didn't fix your issue, this one is gonna for sure fix your issue. So you need to go on data and time, so opened, and make sure you're in the right time zone. Maybe you just like didn't care, you just changed your time here and you just leave it like that and you never set automatically, and this is gonna fix your issue because Origin is somehow confused, let's just say that, by the timing. And make sure your time zone is correct on your where you live and just set it automatically. It's gonna take a little time. Close it, open Origin, gonna fix your issue for sure. We already can see the ad is not popping here, so I'm gonna sign in. And I'm here in my Origin account and it's not showing offline mode or anything. I'm online. You can use the normal Origin account. And yeah, I hope you guys fix your issues, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you're enjoying it. And yeah, see you guys, bye.